Building dashboards from Google Analytics data is a crucial step in understanding website performance and making data-driven decisions. To start, you need to have a Google Analytics account and access to the data you want to analyze. First, define the purpose and goals of your dashboard. What do you want to measure and track? This could be website traffic, engagement, conversion rates, or revenue. Identifying your goals will help you determine which metrics to focus on and what data to include in your dashboard. Next, choose a dashboard platform. Google Analytics offers a range of tools and platforms for building dashboards, including Google Data Studio, Google Analytics dashboards, and third-party tools like Tableau or Power BI. Select the platform that best fits your needs and skill level. Now, connect your Google Analytics account to your chosen dashboard platform. This typically involves creating a data source and authorizing access to your Google Analytics data. Once connected, you can start creating your dashboard. Start by adding widgets or components that display the metrics you want to track. This could include charts, tables, maps, or other visualizations. Use the data from Google Analytics to populate these widgets and create interactive and dynamic visualizations. Organize your dashboard in a logical and intuitive way. Use headings, sections, and filters to make it easy to navigate and understand. Make sure your dashboard is visually appealing and easy to read. Best practices for building effective dashboards include keeping it simple and focused, using clear and concise labels, and avoiding clutter and unnecessary data. Regularly review and update your dashboard to ensure it remains relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a powerful and informative dashboard that helps you gain insights and make data-driven decisions from your Google Analytics data. With practice and experience, you can refine your dashboard and make it an essential tool for optimizing your website and marketing strategy.